Hello and welcome of you to English Proficiency. This is Mohammed. Welcome of the newcomers. I am so delighted to have too many people following my classes and practicing English speaking with me. Welcome of you all. In the past few classes of practice speaking for beginners, like we have been trying to get familiar with English, means to ask few questions in English and answer with basic expressions. We have also seen how to use indefinite articles with nouns. In today's class, we're going to use and practice and learn about subject nouns and subject pronouns. Well, please just make sure you have a pen and a notebook. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe and to activate the bell, and please do not hesitate to drop your questions down in the comments below. I will be more than happy to hear from you. Well, please, let's get started. In English, as in other languages, the subject is the person or the thing that we are talking about. The subject is the person or the thing that does something. For example, John speaks English. Another example, John is American. In the previous examples, John is the subject. John is subject noun. Now let's get into more details. We can divide the subject into two major elements: subject nouns and subject pronouns. Subject noun could be anything or any person. Here are some examples: my friend, the cat, or Casablanca. Here is another example: the teacher is here. Who is here? The teacher is here. So, the subject is the teacher. I shall give you another example. English is beautiful. I'm sorry. English is beautiful. What is beautiful? English is beautiful. So the subject is English. These are subject nouns. Now please let's see the subject pronouns. So excited, huh? Okay, subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, and we, you, and they. I repeat, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. These are subject pronouns. Please, let's now see them like in a clear chart so that you can like really understand the lesson. Let's go, please. Subject pronouns. I, the speaker, singular, male or female. You, the address, singular, male or female. He, absent, singular, male. Example: Kareem, the doctor. She, absent, singular, female. Example: Mila, the girl. It, absent, singular, object or animal. Examples: tablet, the cat, we. The speaker, plural, male or female. Example: my sister and I. You, the address, plural, male or female. You and John. They, absent, plural. Example: Nisreen and Nirmin. Another example: the cat and the dog. As usually, let's have some exercises like to check if you really understand the lessons. Well, let's go.
Exercise number 1. Replace subject nouns by subject pronouns. You, he, she, it, we, you, they. Car, elephants, markers, my mom, you and Mila, Adam, Adam and I. You can pause the video to do the exercise. Now let's see the answers. Car. Car is an object. It is not a person. It's absent and it is singular. Therefore, its subject pronoun is it. Elephants is plural and absent. So, the subject pronoun to replace elephants is they. Markers. Markers is also plural and absent. Therefore, the correct pronoun is they. My mom. It's absent, singular and female. Of course, it is she. You and Mila. This is addressed. Plural, it's you. You for plural. Adam is absent, singular and male. Masculine. So the pronoun is he. Adam and I is the speaker, plural. It is we. We is the plural of I. Now, let's see the second exercise. Change the subject nouns to subject pronouns. Number 1. My sister is thirsty. Number 2. The students are young. Number 3. The restaurant is expensive. Number 4. The girls are pretty. Number 5. You and I are hungry. Number 6. You and Adam are happy. Number 7. Tom is American. You can pause the video to make the exercise. Now, let's see the answers. Number 1. She is thirsty. Number 2. They are young. Number 3. It's expensive. Number 4. They are pretty. Number 5. We are hungry. Number 6. You are happy. Number 7. He is American.
We have come to the end of this lesson. Please, if you like my lessons and my classes, do not hesitate to share with your friends and like to leave us good comments that would keep us going. And please do not forget to subscribe and activate the bell so that you can see all my upcoming videos like in the future so that you can stay tuned. If you have any questions, I am here just to help you with that. Goodbye.